So once they've booked then, we now enter step 2, which is going to be the sales phase. There's 2 steps here. We need to get them to show up to the consultation, and then we need to close the consultation. So the show up part here, this is how we get 50% show up rates. The first thing they should see when they're booked on the calendar is going to be a thank you page, which has a video and other trust building assets. So again, let me show you what that looks like. This is the template here of a thank you page. So it says, congratulations, you've booked, now please watch. So we have one video at the top, which is going to confirm, and we're going to kind of talk about like, hey, here's what to expect. You know, if you can't make it, please let us know, stuff like that. And then below, we have a really powerful video called a how it works video. And what we do in this kind of 5-minute video is we outline the entire offer. So we're going to tell them everything. We tell the prospect, here's how the 6 weeks works. On week 1, we're going to do this. You're going to get an onboarding meeting. You know, in week 2, you're going to get measurements, check-ins. Week 3, we're going to do a progress check-in, right? And we walk through every single week so that they understand, number 1, how much value they're getting, and number 2, what results they're going to have along the way. Now, what this video does is a couple of things. The first thing this video does, when you walk through the entire program with them, you've basically sold it to them without selling, right? So the first thing you've done is, the first thing the prospect thinks when they watch this video is, number 1, wow, this program looks amazing, and it's definitely going to work to help me lose the 20 pounds. The second thing they're going to think is, wow, this can't be cheap, right? So we don't give them the actual price because we're going to make a couple of different offers at the consultation. But if you show them the value of like how it breaks down so they can appreciate what you're giving to them and how they're going to use this program, they are going to assume this is not free, this is not cheap. And then when they still come to the appointment, they're going to expect that this is not going to be cheap. And that's going to go in your favor because closing a sale at a high price is going to be 10 times easier for you. We've pre-sold, and the more you pre-sell, the less you have to hard sell. And then below that on the page, you also want to have testimonials, Google Map link, FAQs. Again, any other content you have that would build trust and authority. So put case study videos on there. If you were featured in local newspapers, put all that on there. So the thank you page really does a good job of qualifying the lead and building up that value. And then one other cool thing we do is we have an RSVP or double confirmation system. So the night before all your appointments, call up the lead again and just do a double confirmation that they've got what they need, they've got directions for tomorrow, and that again will get your show up rate even higher.